Hey friends, welcome back for another video. Today I am talking to you guys about what I have been eating lately on the carnivore keto diet. If you didn't see my last video of kind of the direction myself and my family is kind of going into, sorry for that noise. My daughter Eden here is making herself some sausages over there. And so anyway, I'm talking about what I've been eating, moving a little bit more keto than carnivore. And yeah, I may sprinkle in a little bit of what my kids are eating. I'm gonna make a full video of my ketovore kids. And a lot of you guys have been requesting that, but I'm just gonna be flying through what I have been eating here for the last week, 2 weeks, and I hope you find it beneficial.
Okay, I'm starting you guys off with some scrambled eggs with some sweet peppers and some sauteed onions and extra cheese. This is typically what we'll eat on Sundays after church. And then next up, I have what I call a pizza bowl. It's ground beef. I have organic tomato sauce with no sugar in it. And then lots of Parmesan cheese. Mix it up. It looks gross, but it's delicious. And then in this picture, I have leftovers ground beef with some sauteed onions. I have leftover ribeye, and I have leftover organic sweet potatoes with only butter in it. That's a huge portion, but I love it. Next up, I took my son out to breakfast, and we did indulge in a cinnamon roll. It was crazy sweet, but these are special memories with my boy, so we're not going to die if we eat one cinnamon roll maybe once a year. Next up, we went out to dinner, my husband and I, and this was his amazing steak and dinner. So of course I had to take a picture. I did not take a picture of my own meal, unfortunately, and it was an awesome rack of lamb. Next up, I have eggs and some smash burgers. We absolutely love smash burgers in our house with some yolky eggs. So delicious. Next up, I have my husband's egg pancakes. I don't really know how to describe it. So it's scrambled eggs, and he puts cream cheese in it, and then he puts it in a pan with a ton of butter, and they come out really delicious. They're not fluffy, but they are very tasty. And then we love to go to our local butcher, and when it's available, we love jalapenos stuffed with cheese wrapped in bacon. And so we do enjoy this from time to time. Next up, I have more ground beef. Again, looks gross, but ground beef mixed in with our, I think I have some sauteed onions in here. And then I have my creamy Alfredo sauce that I love to make. I have that video on the channel. We've all seen burger patties and cheese for something quick. This is just like a quick and easy staple anytime in our household. Then I was really hungry at this meal, so I made 4 over medium, over hard eggs with 3 good, decent slices of Dubliner cheese. It's a hard, dry cheese. And then ribeye. Ribeye is our favorite steak. We eat it all the time. I didn't put as many photos of all the ribeyes we've eaten throughout the, this time, but there's a picture of one. And then we have our cast iron pans with my husband's smash burgers in it. This particular batch has, I believe, some white American cheese on it, but we love smash burgers. My husband made a really great prime rib, so we ate this prime rib for several days together for dinner, and it was awesome. And this is just another picture of an overcooked, extra crispy ribeye here, but it still tasted really great. We usually take a huge chunk off of the huge ribeye we buy and make the prime rib as well. And then lastly, my husband makes a really great keto chili. From time to time, we will have this. So it has no beans. It's just onions, peppers, ground beef, seasonings, and some sour cream. It is awesome.
All right, friends, I hope you found that really helpful on your health journey. If you are keto, ketovore, or carnivore, I can also add in that I eat and the kids eat bacon literally almost every single solitary morning. So I'm definitely having bacon. Also, for complete transparency, especially for those of you that have been around the channel for a little bit, Lately, I have been enjoying, from time to time, some clementines. Again, it's not an everyday thing. Do I eat fruit? No, but it just is so tasty. And so, you know, every now and then I will have a clementine, maybe a couple times a week while they're in season. I don't like to eat fruit unless they're actually in season. And I have not noticed a change in my skin since introducing a little bit more vegetables or fruit. I've not seen a change in my energy. I've not seen a change in like aches and pains in my body, which is awesome. So again, everyone's journey is very individual. What works for you may or may not work for someone else. But if you are looking for some food ideas from a keto carnivore perspective, I am here for you. So I'll see you in the next video. Please comment if you have any questions, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.